Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can hear in the background, Jesus, this bad boy is loud and idle. Had to come check it out right next door from a job. The boys at Lamborghini Sarasota are nice enough to let me know they got this absolute gorgeous car here. No further ado, let's go. Woo! My boy's taking the photos of it. This is my boy Danny. You can see him over at Lamborghini Sarasota for sure. If you're interested in this car, that's the man that runs the show right there. Mr. Raj, big boy, Lamborghini Sarasota. He's the man right there. That's the one that'll work the deal out for you when you're ready to buy this thing. Holy cow. I don't know if you guys ever seen one of these in person, but this is my first in-person Centenario, and it is ridiculous. My boy Danny will sell it to you. He'll make you happy. Oh God, I love it. Got all the carbon. This whole car is just carboned out. This paint is beautiful. You can't see it in this video as much as I can see it live, but that metallic flake just looks gorgeous. She sits super low. Look at that thing. Yowzers. Oh man, this thing is just gorgeous, guys. Let me know what y'all think of this. If you've ever seen one, let me know in the comments. Got the Alcantara up on the dash. She is for sale. I know you guys are drooling just like I am. Got 21s in the back. Got the 20s in the front. Centenario badging. Carbon everywhere. Got the Roadster, carbon on the interior. Very Aventador-like if you guys know Lamborghini style, but this was the first to use these screens, I believe, out of all of them. Got your USB stuff right there. Oh, this car is gorgeous, guys. Let's get some revs out of it, man. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, don't worry. That'd be fine. Dang, look at them tires. Them things are huge. Wait, 345s? Oh my God. Damn. Yo. Wow, I wasn't ready for that. Peace out, boys. What? Ridiculous, boys, ridiculous. Goals, baby, goals. Goals right there, baby. Yowzers. Let's see if we can hear her. You hear those upshifts? It pops on every upshift, man. Wow, amazing. I'm jealous, guys. I'm just getting in my Jaguar. It's boring, little 5 liter. Doesn't sound that good. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. We'll see you next go round.